I guess it took me 5 months to make this video. Great job, Asian Guy 2018.
Today is day 4, which is the last day of when we're gonna be here. And day 5 is when we go home. And right now it is 11:02.
Remember that lady that gave us the key really late because she somehow misplaced it? Well, she said when she was going to pay us back, she meant by giving us a free activity on our vacation. She gave us a few options, and one of them was a free boat ride. So we took that instead.
Hey look, they're already down there. Whoa! Hey, look, we're 2 minutes late.
Face of what? I know, but look at his face.
Look up there.
Look at this dude.
Wow, so much pollution.
Why is he so fat, bro?
Where?
Right there on the wall. Yeah, look.
Hey, look, a hermit crab. I didn't get too far. Wow, what kind of soda is that? Free beer, wine, sodas. I didn't know a company would name their soda that.
Which one's ours?
So, am I an adult because I'm over 12? Oh, well, we got this ride for free. Look at all these people on the boat.
Turn down your volume.
Copyrighted music. Ew. I can't record much because of copyright. I don't understand anything he's saying. I wonder how expensive it is to get on that. Oh, dolphin! Whoa, they're right there! Over there! Look at how far we are from the shore! There's some down there, but it's hard to see. I'm gonna stop here for now and come back when there's something interesting. Whoa! The boat is shaking a lot. Wow! Good thing this camera has optical image stabilization. Wow! The boat is shaking so much when it's going so slow. A helicopter!
I wonder what's going on in that helicopter.
Dude, I think we're about to crash. There's too much weight on this helicopter. Well, obviously there's too much weight in here. You put way too much unnecessary stuff in the back. But I can get rid of this Nintendo Wii, right? You obviously don't need it anymore. Wait, what are you talking about? Of course I need that. Well, guess what? Wait, no, don't do that. Too bad.
So cute.
The dolphin.
They look so real, don't they?
Of course they're real.
Oh!
Whoa.
Imagine we jumped on a shark.
It feels like you're on an elevator, but it's going up and down, as if the elevator wants to make you die.
What the heck?
Wow, such an interesting view. I only see water. We're starting to pick up some speed. Day 4 is the best. Whoa. Ear rape! Ow, the horn is right here. That hurt my ears. Whoa, big wave.
Oh, we're going down.
How is that guy standing alive? Whoa, whoa.
Oh, there's a big one.
Another big one.
I think there's a
pushing the boat up and down.
Oh,
Whoa. This is not dangerous at all. Are we going backwards? The boat keeps moving. It stopped as soon as I started recording. Here's the fun fact. Killer whales aren't actually whales. They're actually dolphins. Look at them over there. I wonder if they're also getting terrible music like us. They're over there. There's some dolphins. I don't know if you can see it.
It looks deep in there.
Another heli. There's water all over my camera. Can't even hear the microphone.
my next trip's not even allowed to get wet.
My cousin got water all over him.
Like the feeling can hold
I want to see if I can zoom in. My microphone is gonna die. I wonder if the boat is wet.
T-pose!
Hit that T-pose. One of the kids were driving. Dang! I hope we get our key late again next year. They're selling food out here. What the heck?
Alright, I think it's time to get off the boat now.
Well, I think that's the end of it, so let's get off the boat now. Now we're at the gift shop. Here's all of them, and here's the worst one I've seen so far. Or maybe that low quality one. That one sucks because it's low quality. They have virtual reality here.
Some people are gay. Get over it.
Like you?
What?
Huh. Would anyone here do this? Crawl in a ball and climb in a pool? Whoa. Well, that seems interesting. My sister is watching my videos right now.
And cringing.
Yeah, that too. I'm not surprised. What the heck? We're home already. Look, more grammar typos. They put surf and or currents. They forgot the slash. Whoa. We're back home now. Yeah, day 4 ended, and that was a pretty exciting moment.
I mean, it really wasn't fun when all the wind went to my microphone when the boat decided to go full speed.
I guess that ends the vlog. Maybe day 5 will come, because I'll just do it anyway. If it already came out, here's the 1,000 subscriber special. And here's the 5,000 subscriber special for the main channel. Bye!